Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how you can clear an app's cache on an iPad. So first up, you just need to select the app that you want to make the app's cache cleared. So then go to settings and then go to general. Here on general, go to iPad storage. Now here you'll find all the apps that you're using. So just select any app here that you want to clear the cache. So in this case, I'm going to select YouTube app. Now, as you can see, you'll find an offload app. So this will free up storage used by the app, but keep its documents and data. Reinstalling the app will place back your data if the app is still available in the App Store. So here, just need to tap on the offload app button. And to confirm, tap on offload app. And this will clear your app's cache. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you in the next video.